Control number 44293, please introduce yourself.
Good day, Sir, Madam. I am Anne-Christine Sinim, 37, married. I have 4 children, 3 sons, ages 16, 13, 11, 1 daughter, age 18. I have 7 brothers and 6 sisters.
What is your educational attainment?
High school graduate in San Jose National High School.
Why do you want to go to Hong Kong?
For myself and to earn money for my family, especially to my children.
Have you been to any country before as an OFW?
I have no experience in OFW, but I have experience here in the Philippines.
Do you have experience of taking care of an old person?
Not yet, but willing to learn.
Do you have experience of taking care of a newly born babies and children?
Yes, I have experience.
What can you do for babies and children?
Feeding baby, change diaper, and comfort.
Aside from your daily household works, what other special skills you can do inside the house?
Cleaning, washing clothes,
Can you
and
cook?
cooking.
What foreign dishes can you cook?
Steamed fish and vegetable, and
Describe
chicken.
yourself as an housemaid.
I'm honest, responsible, and hardworking.
During misunderstanding of your employer, what do you do?
I talk to my employer and say sorry.
Describe your relationship with your past and present employer. How did they treat you?
They treat me as a family.
Message for your future employer in Hong Kong.
Dear Sir, Madam, if you will choose me, I promise to you that I finish my contract 2 years and more than. Thank you.